Hi everyone, I'm Angela with Growing Roots. I'm just a mom with two beautiful boys, a husband, a full-time job, 3 dogs, and homing pigeons. All I'm trying to do every single day is to survive, to get through another meal, and to carve out just 10 minutes for some self-preservation. The way I do that is through my beautiful houseplants and a little bit of outside gardening when the weather is not miserably hot or terribly cold. So anyways, and on my channel, I will share videos with you every week about care tips, my favorite plants, any DIY projects that I have going on that I think you guys might be interested in. So please make sure you subscribe so you're notified when I post new videos. And of course, comment below and let me know who you are and why you're interested in what I have to share with you, okay? Thank you guys all so much for coming to my channel, and I can't wait to engage with you in the future. Thanks.